Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
They're in the north stairwell.
Good work, Helly. I'm going. Close one. You could have been hurt.
Thanks, Roy. You're so awesome.
Listen, you...
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well,
I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's fastest racing machine?
Is that hard?
Yeah.
Proud. Thank you, King.
well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
Whatever.
Major, let's go. You're on.
appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, Jackson Storm.
Drop and give me 20 miles. Go, 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 go. Go.
Man, now I've got dirt in my...
Yeah, this one here. Isn't it really big? Wait! What's wrong?
Pasa, se dan por vencidos. ¡Ah! ¡Tras él!
Need no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then...
Coming through. Good to see you. My bad. Hey, Ricky, how's the kid? Watch your hood.
He did it! Soldier, come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have too much.
No, no, no. You don't know what you want. Luigi, know what you want.
Hey, McQueen!
Fast river, fast blue, even ginger.
Dus als jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht.
Sterling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,
Responding. Where's Mater? Right behind. Put it in reverse, pal. Make room for Mater. All right.
Looks like we got some work to do.
It's really getting him into the zone.
So getting beat today.
There you go. Felt good.
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will be.
wait to get rocking. This is gonna be wicked.
Yeah, we should do this every year.
Oops, I missed. You going on vacation?
Don't worry about it, kid. The least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
Not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming!
Też kiedyś byłem strażakiem.
Co?
No i to jak?